Hello students, this is Nitin Mohod, and through this video we are understanding the concept of basics of sensor and actuator. Sensors are basically the devices which can sense the change in physical quantity and converts it into the measurable output, while the actuators are the devices which can turn on or off the systems, or also it can control the changes. Device or component giving a measurable response for a change in physical conditions like change in temperature, change in thermal conductivity, change in chemical concentration, change in humidity, change in pressure, change in displacement, change in speed, and many more like this is nothing but a sensor. You can say this is another definition of the sensor. It's useful for making industrial measurements such as in industrial processes or control, or in medical applications the sensors can be used. A device responding input quantity by generating a functionally related output in the form of electrical or optical signal is also called as a sensor. For example, mercury in a glass thermometer can expand or contract as per the measured temperature, and the measurements are provided on the surface of the glass tube. I mean, the glass tube is itself calibrated, and accordingly it can be read easily. Similarly, thermocouple converts temperature change to an output voltage or temperature into output voltage, which can be read by the voltmeter. Actuators are basically the devices like valves or switches which can turn the things on or off, or making adjustments in an operational system. Companies can integrate, means can use togetherly sensors and actuators to create a closed loop operational system between remote locations such as retail stores, distribution centers, manufacturing sites, and enterprise applications used to run the businesses. Sensors and measurand. Measurand means the quantity to be measured, and sensors are the things which we have already seen. So we are going to see here through this table the different type of sensors, and the examples of the measurand means examples of the physical quantities or physical parameters which can be sensed with the help of these types of sensors. So first we will see the mechanical sensors. It can measure length, area, volume, all time derivatives such as linear angular velocities, linear angular accelerations, mass flow, force, torque, pressure, acoustic wavelength, and acoustic intensity. All these parameters can be measured, or the change in these parameters can be measured with the help of mechanical sensors. This is what the meaning is. Similarly, so for the thermal sensors which are related to the temperature changes, so here temperature, specific heat, entropy, heat flow, state of matter, all these things can be sensed and measured with the help of thermal sensors. Electrical sensors, naturally they will deal with the electrical parameters like voltage, current, change in resistance, inductance, capacitance, dielectric constant, polarization, electric field, frequency, and dipole moment. So for the magnetic sensors are concerned, they deals with the field intensity, flux density, magnetic moment, permeability, and many more such magnetic parameters. So for the radiant sensors are concerned, they deal with the change in, or they can measure the parameters like intensity, phase, wavelength, polarization, reflectance, transmittance, and refractive index. And last but not the least, the chemical sensors, they deal with the composition, concentration, reaction rate, pH values, oxidation, and reduction potential. All these things, all these parameters, or all these chemical changes can be sensed with the help of chemical sensors. I hope the basics of sensors, their definition, actuators, its definition and its meaning, and different kinds of sensors we have discussed here are clear to you. Thank you.